Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you a really easy smoky glam eye look. I was just sitting in my makeup room playing with makeup, and then I realized why not film a video for my Instagram. I wanted to do like a really short Instagram video, but then I realized I know how much you guys like my 5-minute eye look, so I wanted to film it for my YouTube as well. So today I'm gonna show you a really easy look, and the first thing I did was applying some white eyeshadow underneath the highest point of my eyebrow. The palette that I used is from Makeup Revolution. I will put the exact name in the description bar. It's a really nice palette. It has some vibrant colors which are really nice. But I just wanted to first highlight my brow, and then I went in with this black jumbo pencil from NYX Cosmetics. I used to use this really often back in the days when I just started my Instagram, I think around 5 years ago, and I also really love this jumbo pencil in the shade white to carve out the crease. And today I felt like let's use it again. I used to really love it, so why not play with it again? And I wanted to use this as a base for my smoky eye today. Now, if you have been following me for a while, you know normally when I do a smoky eye, I just start with blending shades in the crease. And then as the third step, I go in with a pencil all over the eyelid. But I wanted to switch things up today and just see if I could do some different order and see if that would work. So I just started with the pencil today. I just blended it all over the eyelid. I took a really tiny brush, which is the Morphe M507. Then I took the color Cursed from that same Makeup Revolution palette, which I just used for underneath the brow bone. And I took that really dark grayish color, and I'm just gonna blend this around the edges. And this is just a really nice tiny brush. Also, for those who are wondering, I filmed a video where I explain all my favorite brushes, and it's probably going up this upcoming Tuesday. So for everyone who has been asking about this, it's coming. It's going up this Tuesday. And also this week I'm gonna film the video on how to apply fake lashes, so that one is coming as well. So now for the next color, I'm taking the shade Daydream and the color Attached. I mixed both of these colors on my brush, and then I started blending this around the outer, I wanted to say outer V, but I started blending this around the crease to make it look more smoked out. So normally I would start with this shade, then darken it up, and then apply the jumbo pencil all over the eyelid. So I'm just doing it in a different way today, but the result is kind of the same. I just felt like it was a little bit out of my comfort zone since I never do this, but it was really easy, and I think it gave me the same result. So yeah, I think it just depends on what you like. You can start with eyeshadows in the crease, or how I'm doing it in today's video. Let me know what you guys do. I think I will still do it the old way, how I normally do it. But just for the sake of this video, I thought it would be cool to just show you a different method, because maybe this works better for you, and this way I could show you guys. So yeah. Now I'm using a palette, which is a new palette from Cosmetics. Super beautiful. It has a lot of eyeshadows with a sort of glittery reflection like the one that I'm using today. So I just used my finger to apply this all the way in the center of my eyelid, and I think it looks so beautiful on top of that dark shade on the eyelid. I think if you use it on top of like other shimmery metallic kind of eyeshadows, I think you will get some really cool results. So yeah, I really liked it. Now I took this this pencil from Morphe brushes, and I'm applying it in the waterline. It's like a really dark brown color. And then I took this shade, which is more like a really dark intense purple color, and I'm gonna use that to blend out the lower lash line. And since my outer V is quite dark, I try to connect the lower lash line with the outer V to kind of connect the eyeshadows on the outer V with the lower lash line. And then to smudge it out, I took the shade Attached and Daydream, blended both of these colors on my brush, and blending it underneath the lower lash line as well. Since I used those colors also in my crease, now it kind of complements each other, because it's in my crease and in my lower lash line, and I feel like that kind of makes everything look nicely together. So I just kept blending and blending until I found that it looks nice. And then I took the roller liner from Benefit Cosmetics, and I just created a really simple line above the lash line. I'm not going for a winged liner today. I just wanted to create a simple line just to kind of hide the lash band of the lashes that I'm gonna apply. If you don't like wearing eyeliner, you can totally skip this part and go directly in with mascara or fake eyelashes. But I feel like every time I wear lashes, just using a tiny line of eyeliner will hide the lash band a little bit more, and I feel like it looks more natural. You can't really see that you're wearing lashes, so I prefer to do a thin line of lash liner. What am I saying? A little line of eyeliner. That's what I wanted to say. So I applied some mascara. I used the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics, and I applied these really dramatic, gorgeous lashes. I will put the name in the description bar, and then this is the end result. It was so easy, even though I feel like I'm showing like a lot of steps, but I was just really surprised by how quick this went. It was so easy, but still it's like a really dramatic, smoky look. I think it's really beautiful. It will look amazing on any eye color. Let me know if you're gonna try this out, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. This is really helpful, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!